Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Alina and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I have this gold glitter cut crease, and if you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. So first I'm going to prime my eyes using the Louise base in the shade 02. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills number 18 brush to clean up underneath my eyebrow, and then I'm going to switch to the F12 from Colourpop to apply the base all over the lid. I already have foundation on my forehead, but not the rest of my face. I personally like to work my way down when I do my makeup. Today we're going to be working with glitter, so I suggest you also do your eyes first so you don't mess up the base. Oh, by the way, today I'll be using Ring de Alum palette from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. So I'm going to start off with the shade Framed, and I'm using the small crease brush from Makeup Geek. I'm going to apply this color on the outer corner and where I want my crease. In case you've never been on my channel before, I do have hooded eyes, so I apply eyeshadow a little bit above my natural crease. I'm gonna keep the rounded shape today, but I'm still gonna bring the eyeshadow a little bit higher on the outer corner, so I still get that lift that I need. Now I'm just packing this color on the outer corner, leaving the rest of the lid for the gold shade. Now I'm going with the shade Mugshot, and I'm using Morphe M321 brush to blend out the edges of the previous shade. Now, because this palette doesn't really have any transition shade, I'm gonna go with the BU palette from LA Girl Cosmetics and this lighter shade. And I'm using Morphe M506 brush to diffuse the edges. Now, before cutting the crease, I'm gonna use a Q-tip and some micellar water to clean up my lid so I don't have too much product. I'm using the same base and the flat synthetic brush from Louise and Mama Mitchell collection. If you have hooded eyes like I do, make sure you go high enough so when you relax your face and look straight, that crease line is still visible. Next, I'm gonna go with the shade On Camera, and using a flat synthetic brush, I'm going to apply it all over the lid. If any shimmer gets above your crease, you can just use a tiny detail brush to clean it up. Now I'm gonna go with the shade Mugshot, and I'm using Morphe M321 brush, and I'm just gently tapping it over the edges. I'm going to use this light shade from the LA Girl Cosmetics palette to highlight my brow bone. For my lid, I'll be using this NYX glitter primer, and the glitter that I got from Amazon. It comes in a big box, about 30 different colors for under $20, so it's super affordable. And I'm just applying the primer all over my lid without moving the eyeshadow underneath, and then pressing the glitter on top of it. I'm going to apply most of it on the inner half and then a little bit less towards my outer corner so it looks nicely faded. Now just going to get rid of all that glitter on my face and apply some concealer. That's why I told you want to do your eyes first, because usually there is a lot of fallout when you work with glitter. Now moving on to my lower lash line, I'm gonna go with the shade Frame, and then I'm going to blend it out using the shade Mugshot, and then with the same lighter shade from LA Girl Cosmetics palette. Basically, I'm using all the same shades and all the same brushes that I used on the lid. For my borderline, I'll be using a pencil from Lancome in the shade Black Coffee. I can't remember the exact name, but I always list all the products in the description box. Now I'm just gonna go with a definer brush and a little bit more of the shade Frame over my lashes to make sure there is no blank space left. I'm going to apply some eyeliner across my lash line just to help me hide the lash band. And finally, I'm going to apply some mascara and lashes, and the look is complete. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye!